wow, Scrooge Adobe has done a thing. We all know Adobe, or if you even think you don't know Adobe, you use the name of one of its products generically. Adobe is the industry leader. And it's Photoshop. So yeah, if you're going to edit a photo, people will say Photoshop it, even if they don't have Photoshop. And historically, Adobe has been very expensive. They've certainly known how to charge. I don't remember the last time there was anything free, but it's a Christmas miracle, and Adobe are now offering, have a free service. I just heard about this today. I literally had to look for 5 minutes to make sure I could get it to work, and it actually existed before I started recording. But this is very much a first look. And the first thing when I read about this morning was Canva's hurting them. But this is like the gateway drug. They're trying to get you hooked. It's going to be like Canva and everything else. There will be some functionalities for free, but they're going to want you to upgrade. And that's perfectly fair enough. But let's have a look at this and see if it's actually worth it. Any good? Cool. So let's get over to that screen and have a look. So adobe.com/express quickly makes standout content from thousands of beautiful templates in the all-new Adobe Creative Cloud Express, available on web and mobile. So this is kind of cool. It's going to be an app, and you can also get it on your computer, as I have just now. And it's free, which is great. Thousands of new templates. Now, the good news I'm thinking with this is if you've been using Canva or any of the other free ones forever, the free stock photos on that, everybody's using them. Have you searched on, like, I've occasionally pulled up a nice stock image off of Canva to put it on Pinterest, and when I've looked, 2,000 other people have used that same image. So because this is new, maybe the stock photos will be different. So that's a good start. Hopefully different design, different templates. Slightly, it does still look very similar, but hopefully there'll be new things to inspire you there. And yet templates are super useful, and I don't know why Photoshop hasn't had them a long time ago, or if they have, I haven't been able to see them. But yeah, looks all good. Share logos oh yes, I did read about this as well. You can share everything together, but everything works with the paid versions as well. So you can have one person and you can share stuff with people. It won't be perfect. There'll be upgrades and things, it'll be like Canva. If you share something, if it was a paid for picture, then the person on the free thing won't be able to use it. But anyway, so let's dive into this. So just quickly going to sign in. I will use my Google account so you can sign in with tons of things. Oh, it's slow, isn't it? This will be the time when my internet will go down. Right, so because I signed in like a couple of minutes earlier, there's a screen before you get here that asks what you're wanting to do with this. Are you a business? Are you working for people and stuff? Doesn't really matter. That just might give them an idea of what kind of things you're looking for, but just tick whatever applies. But so this is very, very much like Canva. Basically, you can search for templates. You come straight into different templates. So we've got Instagram story, Instagram post, Facebook post. They look pretty, actually. You can do posters. And right, I did quickly do a remove background, and it does the job. I can't show you on this computer because I don't think I have any actual images on this computer, but you can remove the background, convert to GIF, all the rest of it. But I did notice when I was playing around with the remove background, it did say that's free for a limited time. So I did get all excited because the Canva remove background feature is a paid feature, but this isn't. So another gateway drug. But if you've got a lot of things you want to remove backgrounds from, I would most definitely dive in and use this while it's still free. But there's a ton of things you can do. The templates look good. Yes, Instagram stories, Instagram posts, all the things. Lots of different backgrounds. That looks kind of fun. Exactly like Canva, if there's a little crown beside it, then that's something you'd have to upgrade, which I think is $9.99 a month. But yeah, there's whole loads of things. There's plenty of free stuff, but let's see what their Instagram story posts templates are like posts. And let's see how easy it is to use and all of the things. So it is a touch slow, I won't lie. Let's look for something a bit pretty. There's interactive. That sounds interesting. What do you do that's interactive? I do not know. What's the animation? It's saying none. Okay, I have no idea. Okay, let's find a different template. It says they're interactive. I don't know how, and it's not showing anything. But let's try and find something that looks kind of pretty. Okay, here we go. Let's try this one. Okay, so we can zoom in and out. Oh, they are pretty pictures. I have no need for a ballet template, but of course, right. So when you click on any of the areas, you can replace, remove the background, resize. Oh yeah, you can kind of zoom in and out. That's interesting. So this is a cropped, everything sort of interacts with each other, which might become really annoying, but that's kind of fun. You can rotate. Here we can order the layers, which is a kind of different way to do things, but you can move layers up and down. Or you should be able to, but you don't seem to be able to just now. But having other things I've played with, you can move the layers. Maybe it's because, no, I'm not exactly sure why. As I say, I'm just new to this. Okay, resizing. Why does this still sound like Canva? Resizing is a paid option. But let's have a look at the text. So okay, that's slightly annoying, but I'm sure you'll learn it quite quickly. You can't change the text on the text. You have to come into the text box. So edit here. And it just, that goes in pretty quick. So that's cool. Change the main style and everything. You've got all the fonts. Hopefully there's a lot because it's Adobe. There definitely looks like a lot. That's taken a wee while to load. So you can choose through fonts. Fair. I don't think this is going to take you very long at all if you use Canva. What I'm going to say, obviously I'm not a shill for Adobe. Sign up for this and use the free stuff, like use the free background cutting out, use the extras they've put in. It seems a little clunky, but it's not awful. Find new style. That sounds interesting. What's this? Oh, okay. I like this. So this is just giving you some different options for placing, different size, different font and everything. That's kind of cool. I like that. I also found, I like this too. I found this totally by accident. So it's saying shape here. Can I change it? How do I change the shape? So this already has a shape. See, when you're trying to learn something brand new. Oh, there we go. Shape. So this box, so you can pick a shape. Let's go with this. That's going to look really ugly and like it's from the 90s. But you see, we've got a little bannery thing here. Now, what I like about, see, I'm clicking on the text to try and type on it when you have to do this. But what is good about this is shape, or it did, yeah, it follows the shape. That's a horrible shape for this. But the shape follows what you're typing to fit in. So, my screen is so little. But the shape that you've got follows in to fit, or it tries to. That's probably a very bad choice. And we do have the undo button here if you hate what you've done, so that's all good. Font size changes here. That's good because that is huge. There we go. So we can find out even better if I type a load of nonsense. Ooh, it does all sorts of things. Yeah, that interesting. But yeah, I'm just learning with it. Ooh, okay. So it's definitely got a bit of a learning curve for sure. But anyway, I certainly played around with that, and the shape that you surround as a background for your text follows as you're typing. You can change everything. That's nice. Ooh, I get lots of there's pretty templates. I'm gonna say, okay, it's cool. It's if you use Canva, you're going to know how to use this. Is it going to be the best in the world? It feels a little clunky just now. By the looks of it, I got excited when they said Premiere Rush and some kind of Photoshop version are with it. But again, they seem to be in the paid version of this, which is a bit of a pain because Premiere Rush is pretty good. But you're going to have some basic video editing. You're going to have some basic photo editing abilities with this. To me, yeah, it just feels very much Canva-y, which isn't a bad thing. If you're already using Canva, use it to cut out your backgrounds. Use that while it's free to cut out your backgrounds. Use it to look and see if there's different fonts or different backgrounds or different templates to get a fresh new look. Because I don't know about you, but I look on Pinterest and I look on Instagram and I'm like, Canva, 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 Canva. It's all so much the same. So they're a similar style, but you could kind of stand out from the crowd a little bit with something a bit fresh, or even just the different ideas might inspire your creativity. From the very quick play with it, I really like that little inspire button at the bottom that scrolls through. It's not just offering different text and stuff. It's different shapes of the words, different layouts and everything. So you can scroll through that until something looks good to you. So that's good because most of us are not graphic designers, but you know what looks good when you see it. So you make something and then let the gods pick what's good. Scroll through till it looks good. Anyway, so this thought it was an interesting thing. It's a free stuff from Adobe. So look, sign up and play with it anyway. You lose nothing. You'll lose nothing that way. And if they spam you with emails or something, just block them. But let me know in the comments below what you think about that. I'm excited. I'm pleased that Adobe's given something for free. They are the industry leader. I think, obviously this is brand new. I think they're going to have new features and things, keeping being built into it. But I also think there's going to be a lot of functionality that this came out, I think, 3 days ago. So they're giving us a lot more free stuff just now that they might take away in the future. So get in there and use the stuff right now. I think that you've probably got about a month of the free stuff. So that could be good. Your January build up your social media kind of thing. Okay, let me know in the comments what you think of it. I'm Pam Duthie. I'm here to craft your career with creative marketing and artistic inspiration. And I will see you next time.